Well, okay, Coach Zeke's videos. Gonna do a brief little portion of a video here, and then I'm gonna tie it in with some video footage from our fireworks display the other night, what we call Thunder on the Ridge. I already posted the finale, essentially, so that's up there. You just go to the Coach Zeke channel, and it should be right one of the first things to pop up. It's not a very long video. It's only like 2 minutes, 30 seconds, something like that. But anyway, when you're out here in the middle of out in the bumfuck nowhere, and you don't have real fast internet, which we don't, well, it only took about an hour for that video upload. Yeah, when I do a full-length video, yeah, I basically just find something else to do, or if I can go to bed or go to town and do something or whatever while it's uploading. It might take like fucking 6 hours. I mean, it's kind of like Amish internet out here. Anyway, one of the things we really liked, and we've been doing these for a few years now, are these daytime smoke and whistle salute. This is 1.3 inch, or rather 1.3 professional grade cake. Great for just before it gets dark. And like I've always said, you know, a lot of pyro guys tell you this: you can never have too many Thunder Kings. Another 1.3 professional grade cake. They're only 25 shots, and they're not the biggest thing in the world, but they are fucking loud. So, oh, there was one color peony in there, one color peony shot. You got to have that. So that way it's a mixed case. You know, you can't, you know, that one color peony. Let me tell you, it's gonna make all the fucking difference in the world. But that's how the laws are written. Real smart stuff. And that's the same thing. We did do one of these Max Variety. Actually, we did 2 of these Max Variety cakes. So they're a 1 minute long duration thingy. 1.3 professional grade cake. That was leading up to the finale, kind of part of the finale, but not really. And then this cake was part of the finale. And it's called the C-Bomb 1.3 professional grade cake. That thing outlasted the finale, so we started that before the finale, then hit the howling, whistling, Banshee salute thing. It's over there, all, you know, it's all shot off, so can't really show you that one. But anyway, this one was still going after that one was done, so it's like a lot of crackle, if you like crackle, comets, that type of thing. And a few salutes at the end. So that's that. And anyway, it was one hot motherfucker the other day when we were setting up that show. We didn't even start setting up until like 7 o'clock. Got it all set up, and we had enough pyros in the house that night that they could set off the show, and I got to watch it for a change, so I didn't have to be down in the blast zone. So that's good. Always good to not be down in the blast zone. It's kind of nice to watch the show. This one guy I know that's got his own kind of fucking blast zone going on. You know, you ever know someone of those guys that's fucking blowing fucking goddamn thing. Need a new tripod. This is a fucking joke. But anyway, you ever know one of them guys that just, it's like, no matter what they're doing, they're fucking farting. It's like they're blowing their asshole out all the time. Yeah, you know, we all know, like, what I didn't realize, though, is there's a fucking website devoted to pissing and shitting. It's called toiletstool.com, no shit. And actually, George Carlin said that years ago, that if there's anything engaged in, any activity engaged in by more than 2 people, there's a fucking magazine devoted to it. Well, that would hold true for websites today, because they have like a message chat board. It's like, it's all about pissing and shitting. It's like, you know, people will write their story and have a headline like, big blowout at Walmart today. You know, it's like, oh yeah, I really want to read that. Yeah, especially before I have a good lunch or something. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, you want, it's fucking, there's a website devoted to everything. But anyway, Kosher Zeke signing off for this part of the video. Thunder on Ridge Road. Shit, Bagley ain't got shit on us. That was my little surprise. Yeah. Surprise! We packed all the noise into the end of the show. before they get into the finale, there's going to be a couple 5-inchers, so they're going to be big. It's going to be a lot of noise at first. It's going to go to a lot of color and crackle, and then a lot of noise again. That's what we call thunder on the ridge. This year I packed all the noise in at the end. No, there are 2 5-inchers. Yeah. One of my legs a little bit hard behind. It was called the C-bomb, but it'll have a couple of really loud ones, or a few louder ones. Woo!